It is a development of personality. I consider
Okay.
that English speaking is not English is like a global language nowadays. So it
Yes.
is also a part of development of personality. So development of personality is a very important for human being. Okay,
Yeah.
and development our personality internal and external. Like
External.
internal, it means that we are enhance our knowledge, and we are gaining from many kind of things, like we can learn from institute or we can learn from our own by reading
Yeah.
book. Okay, so this type we are doing, and it is good for our internal development. But if I talk about
Yeah. Of course.
external, it means outside we are doing some exercise for our body fit, so it is a external development.
Yeah.
Okay, so and development of personality is a very important to for us to self confident, to be self confident.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
when
Of
we
course.
develop our personality, so that time we are working on our self confidence. When we develop our personality, that time we are feeling confident. uh, Articulate our
Yes.
thought, articulate
Articulate.
our
Yes.
thought very nicely. So it is just because of development of our personality. And
Personality.
it is when we are working on ourselves, that time we have to have patience. Okay,
Yeah.
so uh, now you tell what's your opinion about this.
Yeah, so I think I don't need to say anything because you have already told everything. You have described very well. So that you have told that if we want to develop our personality, so
Yes,
we have to do many things. We have to enhance our skill by speaking, or we have to develop both personality, inner or external. So
yes,
when we do any activity, so that time we enhance our external
yes.
personality. Okay, 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 I'm doing it. Keep, go. No, no, motu patlu, motu patlu. Okay, yeah. So when we do any action work, so that time
Yes,
we can improve our external personality. Okay, but
yes,
when we do any smart work, we present any intellectual thing, so that time we can enhance our internal
develop.
personality. Okay,
Yes,
so if we want to go next level, so there are many steps we have to climb that. Okay,
yes,
nothing can be happen by staying in a particular place. We have to
yes,
move forward, we have to take a step. So if we want to enhance our level, if we want to improve our level, and we want to reach the next level, so definitely we have to go forward, we have to take a step. So that by doing that we can develop our personality. Suppose we have enough knowledge about anything. Suppose you are a English speaker, and I'm sitting in front of you, but I don't have any knowledge of English, so I must be hesitate there. Okay,
yes,
but if I also have enough knowledge of English, so I feel confident, and I will
yes,
very confident, and I will not hesitate anymore, and I will face every question what you put to ask me. So
yes,
that time I can enhance my inner confidence, inner quality, and
yes,
inner development. Yeah.
yes, of course. So some
So,
topic I have written here said, so personality development can be done in this following way, like a living a disciplined life, living a disciplined life. So what do you think that what's the important play a very important role discipline in your life? How your what's your opinion about discipline?
okay. Okay, so in everything discipline is very necessary. Okay, whatever we do in our regular life, whatever we do, and whatever we are in present, if we want to enhance it, so we need to discipline, be
Yes,
disciplined. Okay, because this everything need discipline. If we are a student, so we have to make discipline, because we are students, so we have to follow the rules what is necessary for the learning. Okay, if we
yes,
are English learner, so we should also follow the discipline. We are women, we are a housemaker, homemaker, so that time there are lots of responsibility for us.
Yes,
So if we are learning the language along with the responsibility, so we have to make discipline. Okay, at
yes,
what time what thing we have to do, and what time what thing we don't have to do. So if
yes,
we are following the discipline, though that must be give us result. If
yes,
we don't make any discipline, sometime we are doing anything, another time we are doing anything, so it's not the proper way to enhance anything, to reach anything, to
yes, yes,
get
of
something.
course.
So
Yes.
yeah, that is not way.
Yes, some years ago, I did my all work, and I feel that I
Yeah,
was doing all the household chore. After that, I feel that okay, I don't have some time for reading and studying, so I didn't get anything from that.
yeah,
I did my all work,
yeah,
but I didn't get any result for my improvement, and all these things are just behind is just like it's all like a dream. So it is feel like it will not going to come true in my life. So after that, when
mm,
I decided, when I feel that determined my future, so when I started working on it, then I feel that discipline is very important, play a very
very
important role in our
important.
life. When we feel that okay, I have done all this, I have some time for do my work, so at that time we are
Yeah,
using our time, and that is, I think, discipline for ourselves, that don't take a the rest, let's do some work. Question is topic is always tell the truth. Anytime we are telling, sometimes we are telling lie to our own, sometimes we are telling lie to our own, like okay, I will do this tomorrow, let it, I will do it tomorrow. So what do you feel, that have you ever tell a lie to yourself like that?
okay. So if I talk about the lies what we do
Yes,
with ourselves, okay, so I think we must be honest towards us. We must be
yes,
honest towards our work. Okay, if we are
yes,
not honest towards ourselves, so we are not going to achieve the goal. Okay,
yes,
if suppose we have make a time, we have made a timetable and we have to follow that timetable, but
yes,
when I get tired and I'm thinking, no, I got tired and now I have to take rest and I don't have to follow the next step. So
yes,
what will be the our planning? If we are not following the rule, we are not following the regulation, so it gives us nothing. We are empty.
yes,
Okay, so first thing, if we want to do anything, so the first thing which is needed, very essential for us, so that is honesty towards ourselves. We
yes,
have to
yes,
be honest towards ourselves. If whatever we have committed, what is our promise for ourselves, so we have to make that promise. We have to stay on that commitment.
yes, of course,
Yeah,
every.
determination, you mentioned that determination, so determination is very helpful things for us.
Yes. And many time I did this. I made lots of promise to myself that I will do study at the
Yeah,
night, and when I get tired and I feel that okay, I don't want to do anymore. So I, at that
yeah,
time, I go to bed and sleep. But next day I regret a lot, and
yeah,
regretted that oh, I haven't done anything. So at this
yes,
time I
yeah,
feel that if I want to work on my development, personality development, is it is very important to be honest toward myself. So yes, it's
yeah,
very important for that. Yes,
yeah.
so my third.
I can say honesty is a boon for ourselves. If we are honest towards
Yes,
our work, so it will be proof as a boon.
yes, yes, of course.
Yeah,
So third one is to be patient. To be patient
yeah,
means that I feel that to be patient when we are working on our personality development, and when we are doing hard work for our own improvement. So that time it is a ongoing process. We have to be patient. So what do you
yeah.
feel that?
The most important things. most essential thing if we want to do anything. So the patience is very must. We stay patient, because if we everyone has their a level. Okay, somebody is very somebody has a fast catching power, they can catch everything very fastly, very quickly. But some people has a little bit slow. Sometimes I am good at anything, and sometimes I am bad at another thing. So
Yes,
every thing will take different time. Okay, so
yes, yes, yes,
we have to observe that which thing takes how much time, and
yes,
according to that we have to give time to ourselves. Okay, if we are not good at learning, so we have to give time to ourselves,
yes.
proper time
Mm,
which is needed for
yes,
ourselves. So we
yes.
have to keep patience, we have to have patience, then we can improve. If we are very excited, no, we have to do fast, we have to catch quickly, so it's not going to give any result, it's going to mess everything.
Yes, and then at the eventually we feel that okay, I just
Yeah,
leave it and give up because it's
yeah,
not my cup of tea.